guys, so I am going into the deals for Target starting March 25th. So there are some awesome deals, guys, on apparel, on toys, on the baby department, on grocery. You guys, you need to get to Target. So if you have a Target that's far away, definitely plan on going to Target. Make the distance and go. Make the trip and go to Target because there are some awesome deals. And finally, there's a deal that we can use that BOGO free Johnson & Johnson coupon. So I'm just gonna share with you guys all of the awesome deals that are starting at Target on March 25th, and it's through March 31st. So let's just hop into it. And if you guys want to see Target matchup videos from me weekly, let me know. So I will do what I do with CVS and match as many coupons as I can and share with you guys some deals. But deals are always going to change depending on what coupons are available to print, what cartwheels we get, what rebate offers we have, and all that stuff. So this is just kind of like a starter to what the week at Target's going to look like for the following week. So let me know in the comments below if you want to see more of these Target matchup videos. Okay, so the Market Pantry 18 count of eggs, these guys are on sale for 99 cents. So this is so awesome, especially in California because eggs tend to be more expensive. So to get an 18 pack of eggs for 99 cents is a steal. I remember last year in Virginia, eggs wiped out really soon. So if you are wanting to snag this deal, I would suggest getting to Target when they open. But you know, eggs is an item that they will probably restock throughout the week, but if you know you want to get this deal, you have to get into Target ASAP. So there is a nice promo on toys and games. So there are in-ad coupons starting on the 25th to take $10 off a purchase of 50 or more. It does exclude Lego. And there's also another one, spend 100, get 25 off. So you're gonna be able to get these coupons in the Target ad, or you can text toy 10 or toy 25 to 827-438. So this is awesome. You can combine this with cartwheels. It's such an awesome deal. Now there's gonna be a lot of BOGO deals. So all jewelry, watches, handbags, wallets, these guys are buy one, get one half off. And if you guys haven't been to Target lately, they have really upped their game in their handbag department. I think it's the Universal Threads line. They have some really, really cute like leather totes. It's faux leather, but they are really nice. So if you're in the market to get a new purse or a wallet, this would be a really good time to go ahead and do that. And if you have Ibotta rebates and you want to cash in gift cards and treat yourself to something, this would be a good idea. So next deal is on men's shirts. So the Goodfellow & Co. short sleeve shirts are on sale for $15. And I thought that the polos were on a good sale too. So they're on sale for $8. So if you have spring pictures coming up and you need to coordinate, you know, outfits with your family or new Easter shirts for the men in your life, this would be a good time to stock up on some shirts. So toddlers clothing and boys and girls clothing, they're going to be on sale. So these button-down shirts are priced for $9.99 regularly. So you can get these guys for $8. And then the toddler dresses are $12. And then the boys and girls 4 to 6 clothing is $10 to $22. So I know that this dress, I just bought Scarlett today, in fact, and it was $24.99. So you're gonna save a few bucks with this clothing sale. So another BOGO offer we have, and this is for the whole family. So shoes are gonna be buy one, get one half off. It's toddlers, kids, men's, women's, whole family. So if you need to, you know, get some sandals, get some new church shoes, get some new tennis shoes, great time. Also, the swimwear is buy one, get one half off. And again, this is for the whole family, guys. So kids, babies, toddlers, men's, women's, whole family, buy one, get one half off. Great idea for Easter baskets. So next deal is in the baby department. So there is a free $15 Target gift card offer when you spend $75 or more on wipes, baby food, baby toiletries, infant formula, diapers, and training pants. So this is a great time to use those BOGO free coupons. They do expire on the 25th, so you have to do this on Sunday, guys. And there is a limit of 4 on these coupons. So you can do 4 coupons in this deal. So the scenario I worked up is to go ahead and buy 8 of the Johnson & Johnson toiletries that are priced for $7.99. Buy 1 of the CeraVe Baby Moisturizing Lotion for $9.99. And then buy 1 of the 56 count of Huggies wipes, which are $1.99. So your total is going to be $75.90. And then you can use 4 of these buy one get one free coupons that do expire on the 25th, guys. And then you can use a $4 off 1 baby CeraVe coupon. Now be careful with this coupon if you want to do this in other products, because it does say no more than 1 coupon for the same product per household per day. So this coupon is limited to 1 per day. But you could also use the 3 off 1 CeraVe product, and you can also use the CeraVe healing ointment. So these 2 coupons, if you want to do these in a separate deal, they have baby healing ointment, and then you could do another baby product if you wanted to, and then you could take a total of $11 off for CeraVe products. But the breakdown we're talking about right now is using this 4 off 1 coupon. And then you'll want to use a 50 cent off 1 Huggies wipe coupon, which you can get in the upcoming 325 Smart Source, or I have it hyperlinked for you right here. So after all of your coupons, you're going to pay $39.44, earn a $15 Target gift card, and your final cost is $24.44. To recap, you would be getting 9 baby full-size toiletry products and 1 package of wipes, which is an awesome deal, guys. So next deal is on 3 boxed Huggies diapers. So they're priced for $24.29 each. Then buy 2 of the 52 count Huggies wipes for $1.99 each. Then use 3 of the 2 off 1 Huggies coupons coming in our upcoming Smart Source 325. Or you can go ahead and print, because the $2 coupons are available to print. And the Huggies coupons are inside Cartwheel, so you can use a Cartwheel coupon as well. And then use 2 of the 50 cent off Huggies wipes coupons coming in the 325 Smart Source, or you can go ahead and print them. And there's a coupon inside Target Cartwheel. So after coupons, you would pay $69.85, get back a $15 Target gift card. So everything is $54.85. And these are the big boxes, guys. These are the 128 count, 114 count. It's the big boxes, guys. So this is a really nice promo. So mix and match, do whatever deals you want. And just remember that these coupons, if you want to do a separate CeraVe deal, you can. So in that deal, just to recap, you could use this 3 off 1 coupon, you could use a 4 off 1, and you can use a 4 off 1. So you can take a total of $11 off. So next deal is on the Clorox cleaning product line. So they are buy 1, get 1 25% off, and we have a ton of printable coupons on coupons.com. So I went ahead and put a hyperlink here. Go and print those coupons now, just in case they are gone come Sunday. So I went ahead and looked at the prices. So buy 2 Clorox Scentiva wipes for $4.71. One of them is going to ring up 25% off. Use 2 printable 75 cent off 1 coupons. I have it hyperlinked. So your final cost is $3.21 for 2, or $1.60 each, which is pretty good for cleaning wipes. And they have new scents, so looks like they have like some tropical scents going on now. And then lastly, one of the best deals that always rolls around come holiday weekends is when you spend $50 or more in food or beverage, you're gonna get a $10 Target gift card. So what I like to do when this rolls around, I do all of my food shopping at Target, and I do this deal multiple times. So I will either split my transaction up and claim as many gift cards as I can, or I'll go to Target multiple times in a week, which, you know, is not hard to do either. So in order to get this coupon, it's starting on Sunday, March 25th. this coupon's gonna be inside the Target ad, or you can access it through your Target cartwheel, or you can text grocery to 827-438. And again, you can do this as many times as you want, but you have to do separate transactions if you want to get multiple gift cards. So when you check out, make sure you scan the category coupon first and then hand over your manufacturer coupons, and then load as many high value cartwheels as you can on food items. So this would be a good time to stock up on like sodas as well, because Target has them priced for 4 for $11. So if you just wanted to do this completely just on stocking like your sodas for the springtime, or if you, I don't know, if you're like a soccer mom, baseball mom, and you need to get waters or sodas, whatever you need to do for beverages, this would be a good time to stock up as well. I believe the Gatorades are 88 cents too. So I'm just thinking like sports drinks. So if you are someone who needs to buy high volumes of beverages, this would be a nice promo to use. So I will have this blog post and a printable breakdown for you guys in the description box. So as you can see, Target is going to be amazing starting on Sunday, March 25th. So print all your coupons, get your food coupons together, plan ahead. Maybe if you were planning on going grocery shopping at the end of the week, maybe wait and go on Sunday so you can get that $10 gift card for the food and beverage, because it is such a hot promo. So I will talk to all of you later. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and let me know below if you guys are wanting Target matchups for me going forward. So, and then let's throw in one of those questions of the days. So, or question of the video. So below, let me know where you're from, because I always love hearing where you guys are from.